Hi, I'm George B. Thomas, and welcome to the first step of an incredible journey into the Superhuman Framework. Now, today we're diving into the cornerstone of love, not just as a feeling, but as a transformative force that can unlock your potential and change how you show up in life. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you truly showed yourself love? And I don't mean treating yourself to something nice or brushing off a mistake that you may have made. I mean extending the same compassion to yourself that you would to someone that you deeply care about. If that feels like uncharted territory, well, you're in the right place. Love isn't just a buzzword. You see, it's a cornerstone of growth, resilience, and connection. When you start with love for yourself, it becomes the foundation of how you navigate challenges, build relationships, and create meaning in your life. Now, today we'll explore how self-compassion, emotional awareness, and empathy can turn you into the best version of yourself. Are you ready? Then guess what? It's time to giddy up. Self-compassion is the gateway to emotional resilience. Think about it. When a friend comes to you feeling defeated, you wouldn't criticize them or brush them off. You'd encourage them. Well, wouldn't you? But how often do we fail to give ourselves the same grace we give others? Self-compassion allows you to see setbacks as opportunities and not verdicts. It's the voice that says you're doing your best and, well, that's enough. This mindset isn't about avoiding accountability. It's about creating the psychological safety that you need as a human to grow. So take a moment to reflect. How would your life change if you replaced self-criticism with self-compassion? Next, let's go ahead and talk about emotional awareness. Understanding your emotions isn't about controlling them. It's about acknowledging them without judgment. Emotions are signals, not dictators. When you recognize and process them, you're better equipped to respond, not react to life's curveballs that are going to come your way. One simple practice is journaling. At the end of your day, write down one thing you felt strongly about and why you felt strongly about it. Over time, this practice builds clarity, helping you see patterns and identify triggers. Clarity leads to confidence, and confidence builds resilience. Finally, let's bring it full circle with empathy. When you practice self-love, you create a well of compassion that overflows into your relationships. Empathy is the ability to understand and share someone else's perspective. It's not about fixing their problems. It's about saying, I see you, I hear you, and more importantly, I'm here for you. Here's the secret. The more you understand yourself, the more room you have to connect with others. And empathy bridges gaps, strengthens bonds, and fosters authentic relationships. And guess what? It all starts with you. Now, are you still with me? Good. Because here's the thing. When you lead with love for yourself and others, you unlock a version of yourself that's, frankly, unstoppable. So, here's an exercise you can start with right now. The self-compassion pause. When you catch yourself in a moment of self-doubt or frustration, stop and ask these three questions. What am I feeling right now? What would I say to a friend in this same situation that I find myself in? How can I show myself kindness in this particular moment that I'm in right now? Go ahead and write down your answers or say them out loud, but the idea is to capture them. You'll be amazed at how this simple practice shifts your mindset and opens the door to self-compassion. As you start embracing love on an individual level, you'll notice how it changes your energy, changes your choices, and changes your relationships. And speaking of relationships, in the next video, we're going to explore how love transforms team dynamics. Because when individuals lead with love, well, it's not just about personal growth. It's about building something extraordinary together. If this video resonates with you, hit that like button, subscribe, or share your thoughts in the comments below. A question to leave you with. How do you show your self-love? I'd love to hear your journey. Until next time, keep leading with love and unlock your superhuman potential.